We want to help dispel the myth that Beckett is too difficult, too intellectual for non-academic audiences. He's not. He wanted his work to speak emotionally to people, that you don't need to know Beckett to be able to get Beckett. Because ours is a collection of different bits of his work from across his life, plays, prose, poems, a kind of best of Beckett, it's an accessible overview which may help to better answer questions which great theatre can prompt us to ask. You'll see themes and even sentences reappear, disparate characters sharing recurring experiences and struggles, and you'll even get some biographical information about Beckett to give you a real-life context. The End is in the Beginning is a unique and intimate performance of sometimes hilarious or poignant or, at times, confounding, but always compelling drama. If by the end you're tempted to dive into Beckett's world, then hurrah. Sarah and I will be around after the show. Come and tell us your thoughts and feelings and ask us questions. Join us in the act of, as Beckett says, trying again, failing better.